Hey, Tech Fam! Today, I've got something every student, freelancer, remote worker, or honestly, anyone with a keyboard needs. These are not just alternatives. They're powerful tools that can get the job done for anyone with a keyboard. No subscriptions, no nonsense. Let's dive in. First up, LibreOffice. This one's a legend in the free software world. It's open source, completely offline, and includes all the goodies. Writer for docs, Calc for spreadsheets, Impress for presentations, even a database and math formula editor. It opens Microsoft Office files almost flawlessly. Yes, even those tricky .docs and .xlsx formats. The interface may not be fancy, but it's reliable, and hey, free is free. Next, if you love working in the cloud, Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides are a no-brainer. They autosave, collaborate in real time, and work on literally any device with a browser. Plus, everything lives in your Google Drive. Super handy if you bounce between devices. Just keep in mind, no internet, no party, unless you've set files for offline use. Now, if you're addicted to that classic Microsoft Office layout, WPS Office will feel like home. It's sleek, familiar, and includes a PDF editor built in. Perfect for students or anyone sending resumes or client docs. The free version has some ads, but it's still packed with functionality for $0. OnlyOffice is like the quiet overachiever of the bunch. Clean interface, tabbed editing, yes, like your browser, and it handles docs and .xlsx like a pro. It works great both offline and online. And if you're into self-hosting for privacy, this is your pick, a favorite among startups and remote teams. Next up, FreeOffice. It's small, lightweight, and opens almost instantly. If you're on an older PC or just want something fast without the fluff, this one's for you. It's not as full-featured as the others, but it's still surprisingly powerful for day-to-day tasks. Last but not least, Zoho Office Suite. If you're a small business or run a team, Zoho has collaboration tools baked right in. It's online only, but it's super smooth and integrates with calendars, email, CRM, basically your whole digital life. A bit overkill for solo users, but gold for teams. Alright, so whether you're team offline, cloud first, or somewhere in between, there's a free Office alternative out there with your name on it. Please let me know in the comments which one you're using or plan to try. Want more no BS tech tips and tools straight to your inbox? Join the 90sec Tech newsletter, totally free, always helpful. Links down below, and don't miss our next video, top 6 free VPNs for any device. iPhone, Android, PC, Mac. We've got you covered. Click right here or check the link in the description. Subscribe, stay secure, and keep your tech smart. This is Anthony, signing off.